أهلا language enthusiasts, welcome back to اتكلم مصري learning Arabic. My journey of learning Russian has been ongoing for quite some time now. Throughout this process, I've gathered insights that have impacted my approach to teaching languages, namely Arabic. Here are 4 insights or lessons I've learned. I'm still a beginner in Russian, so I hope you find these helpful if you're a beginning Arabic learner. I'm Ahmad, and if you're passionate about Arabic, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and let's dive right in. Insight number 1, focus on sentences, not just words. You know, as I delved into learning Russian, I realized the power of sentences over individual words. Let me break it down for you. First, the sentences should be relevant to your daily life. My list is filled with coffee-related sentences. Second, keep it concise. 4 words or less for beginners. Long sentences can be intimidating, trust me. And third, avoid complex words. Stick to words at a B1 difficulty level or lower. Tools like the Cambridge Dictionary can help you gauge that. Have other methods? Share them in the comments. Insight number 2, setting clear language learning goals. Russian grammar is definitely more difficult than Egyptian Arabic, which is what I teach. And this got me thinking, Arabic goals need to be crystal clear. It's not just about saying, I'm going to learn Arabic. No. It's about setting achievable milestones based on your time and priorities. So instead, your goals should be something like sticking to and finishing a textbook, course, or sticking to a realistic plan. And remember, not reaching a goal isn't failure, it's a chance to reassess and modify. Consistency is what matters. Insight number 3, avoiding the dopamine shot pitfall. Who else has fallen into the trap of starting countless materials without finishing any? It's time to resist the urge for constant novelty. Evaluate what you already have. How can you maximize the effectiveness of what's in your hands? Learning is the focus, not the fleeting excitement from new materials. Insight number 4, prioritizing pronunciation and reading. Russian has sounds absent in Arabic, just like Arabic has unique sounds for you. Pronunciation and reading may seem tempting to overlook, but you can't understand if you can't recognize sounds. Mispronouncing a word can lead to communication barriers. Mastering sounds in Arabic is key for effective communication. Reading a word helps you see the sounds. As adults, we don't hear sounds the way infants do. Seeing and reading words in Arabic script enhances your understanding and pronunciation, and thus communication. And there you have it, language learners. My Russian journey has impacted the way I teach Arabic quite a bit. I hope these insights will light up your language learning path. Don't forget to stay engaged, subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellow language enthusiasts. Until next time, keep learning and keep spreading the language love. I'm Ahmad, signing off from اتكلم مصري Learning Arabic.